Okay, is news objective? I would say that yes, it is. One argument or one reason why I would say that news is objective is because news companies, news anchors, they do not make up the news. They don't tell their own stories. They don't create the news. News is news because it really happened. Whether or not it's opinion based doesn't really change the fact that the news happened. They can talk about whatever they want, but they always talk about things that truly did happen. They talk about facts. One example of how we know that they're talking about facts is by interviews. Interviews are done with people who live the story and have a perspective. Someone will tell their side of the story that is true details and a true perspective. Interviews just prove the fact that news really did happen. And I would say that yes, news is objective.